po kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga. We are featuring Calilung Chocolate House 4th branch. So congratulations Calilung Chocolate House. We're gonna get inside, we're gonna talk to them and tignan natin kung ano yung mga items na tinitinda nila dito. Right, so ayun guys, getting inside this 4th branch. Sabi ko nga dun sa introduction natin, this is by far the largest store that they have. This is their 4th. So the first one is in Mexico. The next one is malapit naman po siya sa Pampanga. The 3rd branch is at Malabanyas, and then the 4th one, this is at Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga. Ma'am, so congratulations po on your 4th branch, and hopefully more branches to come, no? Some from Porac,
We are asking.
siguro po mga Bacolor, banda west side naman po, no?
West side. In Guagua. Maybe in
Guagua,
Guagua.
yes.
We'll be having in Guagua.
There you
And
go.
Bacolor.
Alright, thanks so much ma'am. Usual dun sa mga first few vlogs natin, of course, you're gonna get here your most loved delicacies, chocolate, dessert. Let's mention some, no? So on this side, meron tayong mga picnic, may mga Pringles, combos. Guys, lowest price ever. Mas mababa pa siya for sure dun sa mga supermarket or mall. On this side naman, meron tayong 3 for 95 pesos. For the Trixies, available din yung mga local and important items or brands. We still support local, mga local market natin, meron din silang mga chefs for their items. We're gonna go to the imported ones. So coming on to this side, ito yung mga important chocolates naman natin. So dito, nandito yung mga Cadbury, may mga Snickers, Kisses, may mga Kit Kat, Reese, M&M's, yung mga most loved natin talagang mga chocolates and sweets meron dito. As of recording this vlog, so they are preparing for their grand opening. Napakaraming mga freebies that they give away, actually 10,000 pesos worth of giveaways for this grand opening. As usual, doon sa mga pinuntahan natin mga branches nila, you can have your items here na very low price. So if you are starting your side hustle, a little bit of addition for your income, actually if you want to start your own business through reselling dun sa mga items na to, so you can actually contact them for yung mga reseller price. At the end of the day, siguro mga pupunta dito are moms or kids that are craving for mga imported chocolates. Congratulations sir!
Thank you.
Napakasipag, napaka-hands-on guys, magkikita niyo siya dito. Congratulations po sir!
Maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta sa mga branches namin.
So eto na yun guys, sinahanda na nila yung mga freebies natin for their grand opening. Siguro sasama ako sa kanila sa pagpe-prepare, and congratulations Calilung po on your 4th branch. The people like it, customers like it, their clients like it. Hindi naman dadagdag yung mga stores natin kung hindi, kumbaga, nasasatisfy yung mga customers natin, di ba? So again, congratulations Calilung. Thanks so much for watching Wear in Pampanga guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next vlog. So thank you so much po.